Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you my latest design team project for Crealies. What I created this week was a set of 3, and these are desktop organizers. So originally what I wanted to do was I was going to glue these together, and then I decided not to. So this is the angle. I've got them laying down on my desk so you can see what it would look like if you were looking straight on it, because once I tip them up, it's going to be hard to tell. But let me go over the products first that I used to create this. So I used these dies, and these are the big Labelzz and Tagzz, and this is number 15 with stitch line. I absolutely love this die. I also used a set of 3, and this is number 46, and these are the butterflies. And then duo dies, I also used these pretty little flower ones, and this is number 24. And then on duo dies, I also used these pretty little leaf ones, and these are leaves number 9. So these are the items that I used. Let's bring this back so you can see it. So what I did was I used the tags to go ahead and make my little boxes. So I wanted a nice, you can hear how absolute sturdy these are. So what I did was for each size, I had to, obviously you need 4 walls. So for each side, I cut out 10 tags and glued them all together. I actually glued 9 to start with. And then what I did was I just created a little hinge out of paper. So you just cut a paper strip, the height of your box, and I cut it 1.5 inches. And then I scored at 3/4 of an inch in the middle, and that was times the height. And I just, you fold it down, and then you can go ahead and attach it to your tags. So let me show you. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut a strip of paper the height of your boxes. So I don't want to give you measurements just in case you don't use this die. But what you want to do is you're going to measure from here to here. So just the side wall of your tag. And then you're going to do that, the height, by 1.5 inches. And you're going to score in the middle of this, which is 3/4. And then basically you're just going to fold it. And then when you have the 9 together, this is what you would just stick to hold your 2 sides together. So you'd put 1 on each side, and then I just took another tag and put it over the top. That way you didn't see, even though you're covering it all with paper, you didn't see the hinge. So basically that's what you would do, and that's how you create that. I put all 4 together, and then what I do is I take the bottom and I measure across. So it's obviously going to be square, so your measurement going this way is the same going up and down. So then I cut a piece of chipboard, covered it with cardstock, and I just glued it to the bottom. And that was it. It was super simple. And then you can see the flower dies. I went ahead and added those, and then a little pearl in the center. And then the same thing on this one. This one I added the butterflies because I thought it was pretty, and I love the gears, the steampunk gears. So I just put the butterflies up the side, and then my little flower right there. And then this other butterfly one right here with a flower just on the bottom. So my intention, I'm using my ink pad just for height. So my intention was to put them together and then glue them down. Oops. So then that way, as you can see, the flowers and stuff aren't overlapping. And I was going to hot glue everything together, but then I kind of decided I liked it single. So I'm undecided if I'm going to keep it single or just glue them together. But then when they stand up, this is what like a top angle would look like for those boxes. And then I went ahead and added designed paper. It's kind of hard to see because of the lighting, but I went ahead and added paper to the inside of them all. Like that. And then this one. So this was just paper that I used from my stash. So I actually used many different paper lines. It was just scrap paper I had laying around, so I decided they kind of all work together. So I went ahead and did that. Anyway, I will leave a link down below to all the products that I used. And if you have any questions, just let me know. If you guys feel that you do need a tutorial on this, let me know and I can do a tutorial. But anyway, this will be up on my YouTube channel, Patty's Crafty Spot, as well as the Crealies YouTube channel. So either channel that you're watching, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to both. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.